How to fix Capcut not opening on PC. Now I'm gonna give you some troubleshooting steps on how we can fix this issue. First thing to do is we need to check Windows Firewall allow all features for this software. So just go to your Windows button and type in Windows Firewall. Now from here, you need to click allow an app or feature through a Windows Defender firewall, and then click change settings. You'll just have to scroll down and find CapCut. Now if CapCut is not visible from here, all you have to do is click allow another app and then browse, and you just need to upload your CapCut shortcut icon from the desktop. So that's the first troubleshooting step. The second one is to uninstall CapCut on your apps and features. Just press Windows and then type apps and features. You can scroll down to find that software, or you can search it from here. So since it is already here, just press in it, uninstall and reinstall CapCut. Now, if this doesn't still resolve the issue, all you have to do is uninstall CapCut. You can either download or re-download the software from your Microsoft Microsoft Store or through their website. So if you want to download through their official website, just pull up your Google Chrome or any browser and go to their website, which is capcut.com. Just have to simply click on the blue link right here, download for free, install the software, and check if it is already working. So those are the troubleshooting steps and how we can fix CapCut not opening.